You may be willing to create TikTok videos as part of your organic content marketing plan on behalf of your business, but now that you've made the decision to move forward, you might be asking yourself, how do I plan out my TikToks so that they aren't just videos I create, but actual content that converts? What do I do to plan out what TikTok videos I create and when I publish them? And so that I don't run out of ideas in the meantime. Well, if those are the kinds of questions you're asking yourself right now, then this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and a lot of what I've seen has led me to create this video titled, How to Plan Your TikTok Videos if you're a business owner. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, first up, point #1, know your business goals for the month. Okay, I'm gonna get into whether you leverage TikTok trends or not shortly, but for right now, please let me lay down the foundation about something really quick as it concerns your business planning broadly. And then we'll see how it affects the planning out of the TikTok videos that you make, okay? I'll make it quick, and then the advice I'll give will make more sense as a result. Look, too many students come to me and they're treating their business like a hobby and not like a business, really, meaning that they're not planning to have 2 sales promotions a month at least. If you want to make more money, one of the things you need to do is to make more offers. It's common sense, but it's amazing how few people really do act on that piece of advice. My 6-figure, multiple 6-figure, and even my 7-figure students know that advice actually pays off. But 2 sales a month is a minimum. If you can run a promotion every week or close to it, well, do it. So here comes how the TikTok videos you create on behalf of your business factors into all of this. Once you've planned your 2 sales promotions for the month, minimum, once you've marked those days off on your calendar, you'll know that on those days that you publish TikTok videos, they should be sales-based in terms of their theme or purpose. That could mean that the TikTok videos you publish on those days include specific mentions of your sales or other types of promotions, sure, but I'd also have quite a few TikTok videos published that spotlight an individual product, service, course, or other type of offering that you'd have available for sale. At the end of each TikTok video, a message, maybe via text overlay, should appear with a call to action that encourages the viewer to buy that offering that you just highlighted at a discount by going to the link in your bio where they can sign up onto your email list in exchange for a coupon, good for, say, 20% or more off of their purchase. And if you want to restrict it so they can't combine that coupon or coupon code with any other offerings because you're running a site-wide sale, let's say, at the time you drop these types of TikTok videos, so be it. Just let folks know. Now, the link in bio should be to your email opt-in page where you can capture as many qualified leads as possible. If someone won't get on your email list when it's free for them to do so, then they aren't likely going to buy from you anyway. Who's going to turn down a discount today? Seriously. And once you capture that lead, you can sell to them via email every single month if you like. Approximately 3/4 of a healthy business's sales should come from its email list enrollees alone. But wait, Stacey, you say, how will they be able to shop my website then if the link in bio is to my email opt-in form and not taking them to my website only? Well, the email that delivers the coupon code can have your website link in there too. No sweat. Also, if you're like 20% off the purchase, that'll kill my profit margins. Well, I have some responses to that concern. First, price high enough so that you can discount low enough. as needed to trigger great sales while protecting your profit margins. Second, go ahead and Google the statistics if you don't want to believe me. But if you have a coupon or sale where someone would save less than 20% off, the conversions drop a lot. 20% off is actually a floor, not a ceiling. If you can go to 30% off to capture that lead on your email list, then do that. So before we go on to the next point, remember, you should run at least 2 sales promotions a month. You should plan out when those promotions start and when they stop. Then plan out, create, and plug in your TikTok videos on those days that promote the sales, promote the products or services or other types of offerings on sale, that sort of thing. And if you're a coach or a course creator and you're like, Stacey, I can promote my course once a month, sure, but what would my second sales promotion be? Okay, you can be an affiliate for a tool that you use on the regular so that your second sales promotion could drive traffic to an affiliate link where you get paid a portion of the proceeds from the sale. You could sell merch, drive people to a Patreon account. Really, there are so many possibilities. I'll have to create another video down the road to cover them all. So many, no matter what business model you're running. Anyway, point number 2. When you're not selling, build rapport. So after you plugged in your 2 minimum sales promotions into the calendar for the month, and you know what days you're creating TikTok videos that are more sales-based in nature, all of the days left over are days in which you can build rapport by publishing a TikTok a day that is more relationship marketing based as a theme. So what kind of tip, trick, or technique can you share, 1 per TikTok video, 1 per TikTok per day, that would help your ideal customer address their main pain point that serves as an intersecting interest, a connection point between people like them with the concern or pain point that they have with a business like yours, with offerings like yours that can help them get out of pain and into pleasure. Plan out a tip, trick, technique, a piece of advice, what have you, that would mean a lot to your ideal customer. And then when you demo it on your TikTok video, make sure that somehow, some way, ideally, you're showcasing a product if you're a product-based business as part of the tip, trick, technique, etc. Make sense? At the end of your TikTok video, either encourage people to visit your link in bio or to comment with any questions or to reach out to you via message for more information. But please, this must be your new policy from now on as an entrepreneur. No random acts of content, okay? Every single piece of content that you publish, whether it's to TikTok or anywhere, has to lead your viewer towards a business conversion and should contain a call to action that will get you the conversions you need for your business to succeed. Fail to plan, plan to fail. Once you've planned out your sales-based and relationship marketing-based content for the entire month, it'll be easier for you to get the conversions you need for your business to succeed. Point number 3, leverage trends when it makes sense to. I recently put out a video that does a deep dive on this entitled literally, Do I Have to Use Trends in My TikToks? So I'm not going to repeat all the advice I shared there because this would be one heck of a long video. So I'd watch that video after you're done watching this one because you'll learn how to find TikTok trends, how to decide whether you should create content directly inspired by those trends in a way that makes sense for your business, how to use trends to keep you from really never running out of content ideas again, and so on. But yes, trends on TikTok, even if they're just giving your content creation some inspiration for the content itself and how to optimize that content with the proper corresponding hashtags, they can make sense, some of them. But the good news is, as some trends go, other ones come up for consideration every single day. So again, check that video, even as a full-blown adult business owner out. I think you're really going to find it helpful. And now I want to hear from you. Will you be planning out your daily TikTok-based content and market with my advice in mind? Or do you have any questions for me about this sort of planning? Well, go ahead, comment down below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer when it comes to the issue of how to plan your TikTok videos if you're a business owner. Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.